Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to go do a TJMAXX Marshall's haul. Now, I don't have TJMAXX here in Canada, but while I was in the United States, I decided to go and check out and see what kind of makeup and things that they had there. So the one thing that I got was these Velvet Touch Magnetic Power Finish press-on nails. I thought they looked really cute. I really like the way it looks. I never really tried press-on nails before, so I wanted to give this a go. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. So the next thing that I got was actually on clearance, and it's the Morphe X Abby Roberts 5-piece artist detail brush, as well as it comes with a mixing palette that you can just mix and do special effects. And so this is kind of what it looks like on there. So this is what the mixing palette looks like, as well as it does come with brushes, 5 of them, that have a very fine tip on there, so you can do nice little details if you do special effects makeup. I love special effects makeup, so yeah, so this is kind of what it looks like, and there's about 5 of them that you can get. Another thing that I got from TJMAXX was this Carrot Beauty palette. It's the Metamorphosis palette. I actually got it because I like the packaging. This is what it looks like. I love this brand. I always buy this brand when I go to Winners and Marshalls in Canada, but when I went to TJMAXX in the States, I decided to get this, and these are what the palette looks like. It is so pretty. It is used because I used it up, as you can see, but look at all those pretty colors. The last thing I got was the Glam Mikayla palette. Now, I could never find these in Canada, so when I went to TJMAXX and I saw this, I'm like, I need to try this because, one, I never tried. I'm so sorry, my microphone cut out, but what I was saying was I was so excited to find Glam Light and the Mikayla palette because I've never tried Glam Light before, and I was excited to finally get it because, you know, I love the packaging. The colors are so beautiful. I love the shade names. One of my favorite shade names is Portuguese because I'm Portuguese like Mikayla as well. So I really liked finding this palette. So that is it for my really fast TJMAXX Marshall's haul. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more videos. And my next video, I'm going to talk about this light right here, which is one of my favorite Amazon finds. So if you want to see a video about me reviewing and talking about this product, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.